Want to check your tax in Portugal using Segurança Social? Here's the easiest way to do it right from your phone. First, open your browser like Google Chrome or Safari. Then search for Segurança Social. Tap the official website, then log in using your social security number and password. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, usually the three lines or dots on the side. Look for the section related to work or contributions, then select remuneration and contributions. After that, choose the option to view your career or contribution history. This will show you records including how many days you worked and your tax-related contributions. You can also download your statement if you need it for documents or official use. And that's it, quick and simple. Now you can easily check your tax anytime. If this helped, don't forget to like and share. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.